yun?
44 na.
Sino yun?
Hi.
Guys, nandito na kami sa NAIA Terminal 2. Punta kaming Cebu. Howdy!
Yan, magkakars.
Hindi yan.
You that you're only allowed to carry one piece of carry-on baggage on board. It should not weigh more than 7.
Get ready mo.
There is a flight crew 779 bound for
Guys, nandito na kami sa Cebu. So, ang next naming pupuntahan, ano na? Mualbal. Mga 4 to 5 hours. So, see you guys.
Yes, Mactan Cebu Airport.
Ilang araw kayo doon, ma'am, sa Mabuhay? Ang saan, ma'am? Sa Outlook?
Pinsel, takbo dali! Takbo sa dagat!
Gusto ko din.
Mama, swim! Dip muna ako.
Wow!
Mama, that's your swimming.
Ay! Mamaya! Kakain muna!
tayo lunch. Hot. Nasaan yung cellphone mo?
Dito sama.
Buhangin. Sand. Sand pa rin. Guys, nandito na kami sa Malbal. So, nag-aantay kami ng sunset. Yay! Where's Odie?
Where's Odie?
Yun!
Little Odie.
Little Odie. Hi! 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 Yun!
Lilo. Yan si Odie. Sama mo si Odie.
Yay!
Basta, mapit ka, mamahulog ka dyan.
Oh.
Pag ito paahon niya, rin.
Taglag.
Nakakain ka na ba? Nakakain na ba ako sa restaurant ngayon?
Hindi. Yay! Michelle, huwag sa kalsada ha. Dito kami magdi-dinner.
Kanina yung kay Cody.
Ay, wala pa naman silang kanin. Ice cream?
Sunny side ako na.
Tatanga dun sa...
I fall in love with the little things.
Good morning, kuya.
Mama, yung tubig mo.
Or mamaya.
Kape muna si tatay. Kita ka na ba ng waterfalls sa real life? Hindi pa.
Bukas alis na tayo.
Nasaan yung island? Turo mo yung island.
Nagsisig ba siya?
Oo, nagsisit. So, saan naman ang next punta natin?
Sa waterfall. Let's go!
Saan tayo?
Sa waterfall.
Sa waterfalls. Let's...
Go!
Yung pala dun na.
Oo.
Kaya sabi ko parang tayo nilalakad. Diyan pa kayo lalabas. Kaya tinatanong ko yung mga...
Punta kami ng falls. So, naglalakad kami ng 30 minutes para makarating sa waterfalls. Magsiswimming ka, Odi? Yes, spider.
What do you do if you find that in your...
Ma, biscuit tayo doon.
Ayan, takbo dyan, takbo. Takbo!
Yun! Tingnan. May manonood. Ay! Tingnan o! Lalakad ako. Baka lang ako. Baka. May baka.
Kuya, may echo? Ha? Turo mo, turo mo. Pikal dun ka dun. Dun. Yan, dito, yan. Turo mo, ituro mo. Turo mo yung falls. Team doon ko ulit. Turo mo yung falls. Hey! Ayan.
Ganda eh, blue. Ano yung magtatanggal ng best?
Talikod.
Hindi natin dati. Ano ba yun?
Kaya mo tayo.
Ay, ate, sinini na ba ito? Ayan. Pwede ba ng coffee dito?
Si Chan. Yan.
May push a button?
Yes.
Okay.
Mali na.
It's video.
It's video.
Dito kami sa Cebu City. Kain kami ng lunch.
Bell ba yan? Wala ko yung bell yan
I mean, mamamahala na naman.
Diretso, diretso. Oh, takbo, di takbo.
Pwede naman magkanya kayo kung saan mo gusto mo mag-vlog.
Pa dun, bubukas ng kusa yun. Takbo.
Uy, exit natin.
Exit daw, exit. Pizza eh. Both. This is my sugar daddy. But he likes sugar in his coffee. Yeah. 306.
This one. Which one's ours?
This is our hotel room.
So we need to...
In Cebu.
abono at fertilizer sa mga magsasaka. Bumili rin sa Pangulong Marcos ng Maynila.
Hi! welcome to... Asa ka ngayon?
Ocean Park.
Nasaan ka? Ocean Park.
Signifies freedom and hope. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, to start our show. Let us all welcome our flag racing bird, Bandit. Is ready, set, go! Let's go, Azul! Okay, and now first, go for Azul! Asa naman yung glow, go for Azul! Wala naman yung glow, Pilihan! Azul is this game! Malala na latest in the Raptors. Nasa behind number 1, Bandit, say hi! How about the other side, the sun, Bandit, say hello! Here is your Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws. So earlier in the basketball game, that was blue and azul. And up there is Goldie, and she'll be having her own segment. And here in the Philippines, they are known as the Philippine Green Parrot, already known as Pikoy. Now you know, guys, your beauty parrot right there is actually featured to reach or touch the colors of our birds. Again, if our birds and trainers will roam around, please do not why. And next up with Trainer Urban is considered as the largest of the white cockatoo family. They're also called as the solid-breasted cockatoo. It is because it's smallest. Cockatoos in general, they use their breasts as a form of communication.
Napunta na natin yan kanina.
Bago to kuya, bago. Konti meron sa taas oh. Ayun yun. Wala na yung diaper. Ayun yun. Wow. Mermaid ba yun? Mermaid? Babay ka, baba. Baba, baba. Wow. Ano yan?
Hindi may isa pa yung parang 3D. Dito sa kalapit pagpasok.
Nanay, ano yan?
Mirror yan. Mirror din. Parang mukha siyang malaki.
This yan? gising ko yan. Wala naman talaga. Bye.
Hi guys, it's our last day here sa Cebu. Nandito kami sa SM Seaside. At nakikita niyo yung pinakamahabang bridge na ginawa ni Tatay Digong.
Ay, Basher, huwag kang dadaan doon ha. Bawal ka doon.
Gawa yan ni Tatay Digong. Yan. Thank you Tatay Digong.
So, DDS lang yan ha.
Yeah. So nandito kami sa SM Seaside, SM City Cebu. Sobrang enjoy namin lahat dito with our relatives. And super thank you sa aming mga sister-in-laws and brother-in-laws for sharing the experience with us. And ayun, sobrang happy ang kids dito sa Cebu Escape namin. And hopefully sa next summer we're going out naman sa sa Southeast Asian countries. And see you guys and thank you for watching this vlog. This is Tatay Champ and Nanay Kin. Yeah, and my relatives. Yeah, thank you.